All right, guys, back with the 6S in there now. We're gonna everything's stock except for the pinion and a fan that I added on there. 26 tooth pinion, and that's as big as we can get in there, unless you could probably get something a little bigger. Just doing some mods, some filing down a little bit. You might be able to get a 27 tooth, maybe 28 tooth in there, but you're gonna have to file down the motor mount to get it to slide a little more. But I'm not gonna do that because I have a SpeedTek RC spool that I'm gonna be putting in next, and then that way we can change the gears around a little more. Oh yeah, it's got way more power. I got my extender on because it was beeping at me earlier, so telling me that something's going low or getting out of range. And I think it's just because I'm by the airport. And again, man, let's bring it back. I know these tires are going to balloon so bad, so we're going to take it easy here on the first trip, but I do need to start the, it was my last speed. So the track, there we go, track, start, stop, read, zeroed out, track, start, it's testing. So let's see, make sure it's going. There, it's going right there. Okay, let's go. Let's giddy up. Yeah, she's I'm loving these Team Corrales, guys. These the steering on it is great. The electronic system has so much power. I mean, it's not even bogging, and I put a big old pinion in here. Ooh, started doing a wheelie down there at the end. Let's bring it back. That wasn't even full throttle. It started doing a wheelie. I was trying to get on it slow. I mean, I haven't done anything to the discs or anything like that, guys. So there we go. Stop. Read. 68. Yeah, it just started doing a wheelie down there, so I had to let off. So let's see if we can go and get up there. I think it's going to be too much power for these tires. So let's start again. It's tracking. It's reading. I did bring some GRP tires, which we might switch out just because. I should probably go farther, but there's a road there, so I never can see who's coming or not. Try to get on a little sooner. Oh yeah, no. I don't know if you saw them tires when it came by. I hope I got that on camera, guys. Looks like we might have blown a tire. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we sure did. Blew both fronts. Look at those things. Hopefully we can glue them back together so we can keep using these for something else. looks like they might have ripped. Dang it. Yeah, looks like they, I don't know, we'll have to play with it. Yeah, it looks like it ripped right there. I might be able to glue those just to have some fun with them. We'll see. This one tore too. So it came off where the glue was, and then it started ripping. Bummer. So yeah, see how fast we were going though. Stop. Read. 68. Yeah, that's just too much. Too much for it. All right, so there you go, guys. I'm gonna throw some other tires on it. I got my GRPs over there. I'm gonna throw on there, and then we'll try it from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and you all have a great day.